out of that hellhole.
Wow, 18k na pala yung like natin, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you sa pagsuporta, guys. Thank you so
Made it all
much.
this way.
Ngayon ko
You know
lang
it
naabot
means
yan.
we're almost-
18k.
Almost
Wala,
what?
that's Luis.
Luis!
Si Krauser.
Long time no see, rookie. Major
Bukas 5 live mo ulit.
What the hell?
Oo, mga 5 PM. Mga ganun. 5 PM
Recovering
onwards.
stolen
Na mga ganyan.
goods.
Basta pag uwi ko,
And
galing trabaho.
killing a
Yan.
few rats along the way. Easy work.
Ashley, it was you.
Catch on quick. Didn't I teach you? Knives are faster.
Noted, Snowbear, thank you. Thank you sa pag-suporta. Ay, may anong pa nga pala tayo dito. May pagbanatan nga pala kay Krauser dito. Wait guys. Mga matinding, ano to yun? Oh. Talo yung manok natin, guys. Natadyakan. Talsik talaga. Snowbear, pre, thank you. Snowbear, thank you sa like. So, pag-aigan din natin si Luis. Wait lang, guys, focus tayo.
Nothing to do with
Anong salita?
I'm a free man who made a choice. Major, you're not thinking straight.
Major niya pa yan si ano,
Clearer than it's ever been.
si
Now focus.
si Krauser.
Show me what
Wait lang, wala na pala tayong buhay.
you got. Not bad. Soldier like you. Why would you work for these freaks?
Makulit.
You've forgotten what happened 2 years ago. Operation Javier. Is that all you got?
Napatay.
Without honor. Without mercy. Only devastating power.
Grabe.
Krauser.
Kulit ka, ah.
I can
Bah,
understand. What happened was unforgivable. But that doesn't give you the right to hurt innocent people.
Oy.
You're still a kid.
Bilag yan,
Holding on
pre.
to fantasies of what's right and wrong. Haven't you done anything these last 2 years? Get ready, gun.
Kulit ka. Akala mo makakatama ka sa akin.
Not
Uy,
bad.
nabalik.
What's wrong? Not looking too steady.
Tama, pre. Uy.
Shit. You don't leave me with much choice. Enough of this chat. Time to put an end to this.
Kulit ka, ah. Lahat talagyan, pre. Diba? Uy, deads na. Okay na, talo na. Aray mo. Aray talaga. Kanina, no? Thank you, Luis. Boy ko pa pala.
Enough play,
Sorry sa'yo, sorry.
You haven't changed a damn bit.
Snowbear, thank you sa pag-like.
What a
19k na.
disappointment.
Thank you sa pag-support. Thank you, Snowbear. Road to 20k likes na to. Thank you talaga. Maraming salamat. Thank you sa'yo, Lord. Idol. Loves.
Looking good, eh, my friend?
Loves.
And such a loss to the ladies of the world.
Don't talk.
Take this. The key to my laboratory. Go there and remove those damn parasites.
Wala na si Luis. That's din si Luis dun sa Resident Evil 4 sa PS2, no? Welcome. Thank you talaga. Sobrang thank you. Ngayon ko lang na-reach yan. Sa buong pagla-live ko. Magdadalawang linggo na rin yata ako. Kaya, chill lang, chill lang. Kailangan ko rin kasing ma-hit yung goal ko sa TikTok na at least 500 followers para tuloy-tuloy lang yung access natin. So, kaya puro edit na rin ako ng ating clip and upload para makahugot pa ng mga followers. And makalaro tayo ng iba-ibang horror content. Kasama kayo guys.